Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. There is an eyelash on my lens. Cute. Okay, so a couple days ago in one of my vlogs, I said that I was gonna sit down and share some makeup with y'all because on Black Friday, I ordered a bunch of makeup for my kit. In case y'all don't know, I'm a freelance makeup artist, and I have been patiently waiting to open this. So I did open one thing because I had to use it, but I haven't opened anything else. I figured I would show you guys what I got, go through it. Some of this is new product for me, so this will be exciting for both of us. So if you guys want to see what I ordered, then just keep watching. Okay, first things first, let me show you guys what I already opened first. So, oh, I'm gonna have to go downstairs. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. You know what, I should do a thumbnail real quick. So the first thing that I wanted to share, I ordered from Rcma. If you guys aren't familiar with Rcma, it's like a pro makeup brand. A lot of makeup artists use it. They have really, really good foundations, and I want to say their powders are pretty good from what I've heard. I haven't used them, but their foundations are really good. They're just really great for pro makeup artists because just the formulation, you can manipulate the formula to sheer it out, make it thick. It's just very versatile for tons of different, skin types, so it's just really great to have in your kit. So primarily what I use for foundation is their foundation kit. This is a cream foundation kit. This is the VK one, the Vincent Keho. Oh, I don't know if I'm saying that right. It looks like this. It's got all of these different foundation colors. You can actually use this for a concealer as well, and it's really nice. It's just got tons and tons of different shades. There is another one of these that you can buy that has darker shades, but primarily I do anywhere from fair to pretty tan skin tones. I do have other foundations that I use for my ladies that are super, super dark, but they do, if you are wanting like a darker palette, that comes in like a darker shade. And so what I got from Rcma is I was actually out of two of my colors in here. And I know that you can buy singles, but their singles are fairly large. And I was like, well, I don't need to buy something that big, but I was going to because I was like, I need that shade. Those are obviously like my two popular shades. And so as I was about to check out, I forgot that Rcma does samples that you can buy. So what I did, and I already depotted them because I needed to put them in my kit, because I had a couple clients since I bought them. They come in these little sample jars and they will scoop them, the shade that you need, and they will put it in there. And so I was out of two shades, so I ordered two of each color. So it came with four, and I just put it back in my palette and it works great. So I ended up needing to refill one right in the corner. It was like completely out. And so I just put the sample and I put it back in there and it's like completely full again. It's amazing. And it was only a few dollars, and so I did that with another one. I'm so glad I thought of that because otherwise I would have been paying a lot of money just for two colors because this stuff is kind of expensive, but it's worth it. It's such good quality. The other thing that I got from Rcma is they came out with a new liquid foundation. Now I primarily use cream, but I have heard really good things about this new liquid foundation. And so once again, just to try out the formulation to see if I like it or not, I did buy some sample sizes, and these are just like, I think they're 1 milliliter. I got like 5 different shades. I was gonna try them on some of my clients, and then if I like them, I can buy the full size. And I really love that Rcma allows you to purchase samples. I don't think that's like I don't know if they have a thing where you can only do it like once or twice. I mean, you're buying the sample, so I don't see why they wouldn't let you purchase them over and over again. But if you're a makeup artist, for instance, and you need to refill like your palette and you don't want to buy like a full size, do that. Oh my gosh, it saved me so much money. And that way I can also try these liquid foundations too. I honestly don't remember, like I remember what I bought, but I don't remember where I bought it from. So I feel like it's kind of gonna be a surprise every time I open up one of these. This is from Amazon. I got some more beauty blenders. These are obviously not like the brand beauty blender, but these are knockoffs, and I've bought these before and they are great. They are so soft, and this was only like $5 or $6 and it came with 5 of these. So I buy these quite often. It's literally a dupe for beauty blenders, so I'd highly recommend it. I can leave these linked down below if you guys are interested. Okay, this is from Ulta, and everything that I bought I bought during Black Friday. So I got a pretty good deal on everything. I was purposely waiting to buy makeup till Black Friday because I was running low on stuff or it was just getting old and I really need to replenish it. But I was like, I know there's gonna be good sales. Oh yeah, that's right. If you guys haven't tried Morphe Lip Liners, I would highly recommend it. They are some of the best lip liners I've ever used. I have one color in the shade Sweet Tea. It's one of their popular shades and I love it. Just the formulation of it, it's very creamy. They're affordable. So I got some more. This is in the shade Honeymoon and this one is in the shade Backseat Love. There's a makeup artist that I follow and she uses this on a lot of her clients. So I was like, I guess I'll try it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like that a lot. I thought it was gonna be brown for some reason. This is in the shade Honeymoon. It's a really pretty color. Got a pinky undertone to it. I thought for some reason it was gonna be like super brown. It looks brown on the package. It's kind of got some beige to it, but I feel like it's got a pinky undertone. It's really pretty. This one is Backseat Love. This one looks like it's gonna be lighter. So this one is Backseat Love. This one's Honeymoon. Oh, I got new bronzer. I forgot about that. So I got this from Morphe. This is the Glamour bronzer. I've never used their bronzer before, but this thing's big. Oh my gosh. This is in the shade Originator. I was trying to do like a good shade that I can use for multiple skin tones. So hopefully this is a good one. It seems like kind of a happy medium. Holy cow, this thing is big. Wow, I really suck at swatching. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's a really pretty shade. I think if I like apply it on lighter skin tones, like very lightly, it'll be nice. But I can also use this for like medium and darker skin tones too. I love to use the Physicians Formula bronzer as well. I just kind of wanted to try something new. This is what I'm excited for. I needed a new contour kit. I've been using the one for NYX for quite some time and I just needed to upgrade and get something better, get something more fresh. So I got this Lorac Pro contour palette, which I've always like wanted to buy this ever since I even worked in retail. I was like, that looks like such a nice, oh, it comes with a brush. That's nice. I always thought that it looked like a nice contour kit, but well, me didn't have the funds to buy it. And then it was half off on Black Friday. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna buy it. It was either between that and the KVD. KVD, is that the new name of the beauty brand? Their contour palette, but this one was on sale. So I was like, oh, I'll just get this one instead. This is what it looks like. Not gonna lie, I thought that this was going to be darker. It looks pretty light. Maybe when I swatch it, it'll maybe be darker. But the deep contour shade doesn't look very, yeah. Okay, it's not bad. I do have a deep tone that I could always put in my Z palette, but I mean, it's pretty. I don't know how much I'll use the top like 3 shades right here for brightening. I always forget that I have those, so I never use them because I just put like a powder under the eye. I like how sleek it is. Like it's very thin, and as a makeup artist, you don't want big bulky things in your kit. Like the more you can slim down, put stuff together into like a Z palette or something. Palettes are your best friend, basically. You don't want a bunch of separate things. I'm excited to use this. The formulation feels really nice too. So this is from Morphe, but it's not a Morphe product, but it was on sale on Morphe's website. Should we do an ASMR? Oh my god. Ah! You guys, I got it. This is Jaclyn Hill's cosmetic line, and this is one of her blush palettes. This is her Rouge Romance collection. And this is the Rouge Affair blush palette. I almost got the other one, but they were sold out on Morphe's website. And this was, I think this was half off or 40% off. Like it was cheap. And I needed a new blush palette. Blush palettes are so hard to find because they just like they come in singles. They don't hardly ever come in palettes unless it's like holiday collection. But then it's like, it comes with like a highlighter and bronzer too sometimes. I just want a blush palette. And I saw this and I really wanted to try it. Hopefully it's not too cool. It's so hard to look at shades online because I don't always feel like they're accurate, especially like under certain lighting and whatnot. And so it'll look really nice on the website, but then if you look at swatches or watch people's YouTube videos, they are completely different. So I really have no idea what this is gonna look like. This is the packaging, you guys. It's so pretty. It's like 3D. I don't know what it's called, but you can feel it. It's so pretty. I love the roses in the packaging. Reminds me of like fine china. Oh my goodness. You guys, these are the shades. They definitely are cool toned for sure. But I also have some warmer like single blushes, so this will be great. I'm already looking at like these 3 right here and this one for deeper skin tones. I feel like I'm gonna use a lot, like those 4. I'm gonna swatch the ones that I think I'll use the most. So I'm gonna start with Admire. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, the next one I'm gonna swatch is Dainty, this bottom center one right here. Okay, this one's a little bit more like a hot pink color. And obviously like when you are swatching and then you apply it on the face, it's completely different. Okay, this next shade is French Kiss. This one's a lot more lighter. And then this last one I'm gonna do, because it's more like of a deep tone, it'll be pretty on more of my tan girls. I'm so bad with swatching, you guys. This is probably gonna look so bad. This one, I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, I just suck at swatching. I'm gonna do it right here on my, you guys see that? Like right there. That's the deepest one, I think, in here. Well, it's this one, Living Lavish. I've heard from everyone that has tried these that they are super pigmented, so you need like one little dab. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of this makeup haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing what I got for my makeup kit. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to see the rest of my videos through Vlogmas, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!